Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how to disable comments on your YouTube videos. Alright, so to do this, just log into your YouTube channel. After that, just go up to the top right corner, click on your profile image, go down and click on YouTube Studio. Now go to the left sidebar, go down to this one, settings, click on that. Alright, so now we have this settings pop up, and what we need to do is we need to disable comments for all the future videos, but you also need to disable comments on your current videos on your YouTube channel. So this is step 1, so make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So step number 1, just go to this one, community. Now go and click on defaults, and if you hover over this question mark, we see that this settings applies to community posts and new videos. Existing videos won't be affected, okay? So we need to fix that as well. Now go to this drop down menu and choose this one, disable comments. Go down and click on save. Okay, so that's step number 1. Now we're gonna do step number 2 on how you can disable comments on your current videos. So just go to the left sidebar and click on this one, content. So here we see all of my videos. Alright, so now we're gonna click on this check mark and click on select all. So all videos selected. Now click on this arrow next to edit. Go down and click on comments. Then we get this option. Click on this drop down menu. Go down and click on this one, disable comments. Now go to this blue button, update videos, click on that. And this will disable comments on your existing videos. Okay everyone, so if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel for more of these videos and comment below if you have any questions. Okay everyone, so I hope this video solved your problem. Don't miss out on my latest video right here. Just click on this image. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.